Looks like there's another ship at sea.
Don't get all the perks because they used to literally look at
Yeah. It's a small ship compared to ours. There's a waterfall right there. So beautiful. Look at it. It's coming from the top. Wow. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this glacier. It's beautiful. Right there. Well, looks like the trip is not ending yet. So we are just getting started to the glacier behind me. We are stopping for safety reasons. As you can see, there are small boats near the glacier. People are kayaking.
whatever you want.
Surprise! Right here, it's gorgeous.
Isn't it who's ever bigger? There's a certain way you should drive going one side. So that was whoever. Well, there's no buoy, so you're good. There's no ready for you. Isn't it who's ever bigger?
This is moving. Look at the control here. Yeah, it's moving the same as the one inside.
Oh yeah, that one too.
The Captain Jack Sparrow. Like, subscribe, comment down below. What's your rating from 1 out of 10? 10 being the best.
Oh really?
Getting up close to the glacier.
So I got one that that lights up. Do you have one that lights up? I didn't. One of mine lights up, which is kind of cool. One
trip is turning around 360 to show everybody the views. This is Tracy on Fjord. Waterfall stream.
Can't get enough photos of myself. Then you walk down the stairs right into the Pacific Ocean.
Wow,
Yeah.
cool. Nice. There's a waterfall behind me. Two heads. It's beautiful. There's a right valley right in the middle. Nice. Morning everybody, today we are at Ikson. It's so beautiful, look at it behind me. That's the name of the city or town, Ikson Mining Company. Just look at the view, it's so beautiful.